Hello, today I will cook traditional chili. So I put garlic, shallots and dry chili, a little stir fry little bit. So we can see after I stir fry, I will show you. After I dry fry all the vegetable and I put them in the mortar and pestle to blend all the flavor together. Let's see next step. This is pickled fish from Thailand. Now I want to put in the pot and boil it for 10 or 15 minutes and let's see. Oh my god, OMG, that is snack. Really? Oh my god, Prani. And I boil egg, eat with the pickled pala. And the way I boil egg, I steam vegetable too. This is broccoli, carrot, or some country call spring onions. So we can call both. So the way this boil eggs, steam vegetable, and the way I boil the pickled fish. Oh, I see the snack. After I boil the pickled fish, now I arrange pickled fish in the bowl and add in the chili, garlic, the way I pesto before. After I steam the vegetable, so we look like this, and I boil egg too, and this is pickled fish, or Thai people call pala. Okay, let's go eat. This one is brown rice. This one the pickled fish. The way I show you is cooked. They say pickled balas. And this one is vegetable I steam. The get shallots, carrot, broccoli. I boil eggs, get the protein, and ginger is a fresh ginger. Let's go eat. Sawadee. Hello everyone. So today that's why I cook that I tell you is pickled fish, pala, and boiled vegetable. Let's go eat. I come from Thailand. But I live in Sydney nearly 18 years, but my English not improved much yet. Just lazy to learn. I married to the Falang, what they call Falang. It's my country we call Falang, but I married to white people of origin. My name Prani. This boiled eggs good for the people to want to lose weight or diet. This one is a healthy food. Yeah, I'm married for 18 years. Stay together nearly 19 years. Spicy. Fresh ginger. อืม เผ็ดมาก spicy อืม carrot when you stream beautiful sweet อืม this one steamed shallot my grandma always tell me this one is good when you get a cold or you have a flu, just the small symptom flu or cold, you eat this one, it be improve your cold and flu. Buy from vegetable and buy from your body health. You not need to get medicine. Ooh, spicy. Mm. พี่หมูคะ he don't want it. He shy. He don't want to come out from camera. You know, when I'm young, my mom and my grandma don't use the spoon. They use the hand. I use the hand too, but now everything changed, so I use the spoon. Mm. I live in Sydney. Now I work assistant in nurse. So I work in nursing home, assistant in nurse. So it's be good this time to look after old people. Mm. Yum. I like eat ginger. I put 3 dry chili, but very spicy. Mm. Bao rice. Okay, see you next video. Thank you very much to come and watching my channels. Love acting. Thank you to subscribe and watching. See you next video. Bye bye. ขอบคุณค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ